So one thing that I have learned over my career of working with thousands upon thousands of businesses with my agencies is most business owners want a plan. They want a marketing plan for their business, and they want a step-by-step to-do list so they can log in, see all their steps in one spot, and be able to complete the actions that they need for their business. You know your business better than anybody else does. You know it better than an agency. You know what your customers are looking for. You know the language. You know all that stuff. So one of the biggest things you don't want to have to do is be able to learn extensive, complicated software. So the to-do list solves that problem. What it's going to do is it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do and what our system thinks the best things for you to take for action to be able to get the results that you're looking for. So what it's going to do is it's going to monitor your reviews. It's going to monitor how often you're posting. It's going to monitor every aspect of your local SEO, which part of your local SEO is your voice search registration. It's maps. It's being found on Bing. It's being found on Apple. It's being found on all devices. So it's going to be looking at everything in a big, huge nutshell and making decisions based on that. And it learns and it grows with your business on what actions you need to be able to take. Like, for example, you don't have to log, you can go over, do posts, photos, offers, coupons, use all of our tools over here, or you could just come in and knock out the to-do list, and that'll be what's going to help you be able to keep your marketing to that 5 to 10 minutes per day. Like a new review to respond to, boom, pop it up, you can respond to it. If you want to schedule a photo, it just automatically, you do it right from here, and you can walk through those steps without having to log in anywhere else. And the system, every time you log in, it's going to look, it's going to say, okay, what should we have on the to-do list? If the to-do list is all the way knocked out, then you are doing everything you can to be able to optimize your business and be able to take it to that next level. So, like I said, one of the biggest things I was ever told from any of my customers in the past, and what members love about our platform, is we're going to be able to walk you through the process. Our entire process is to be able to make it simple for you to be able to do your own marketing. We want to take it and make it, instead of making this great, big, huge, complicated piece of how to get more sales, how to get more leads, how to be able to do that piece, we're going to put it inside of a simple to-do list for you to be able to simply be able to get your own marketing done, and you know what actions you need to take next. So check us out, simplybefound.com. If you're not already a member for today, start today for free. The to-do list is included in all plans of Simply Be Found. Thanks.